What up, brother? Man, that's a great video. You made some great points right there. Showed a lot of passion. I love that. That's what I love about your videos. You always bring it, the truth. I mean, you just bring the truth, stone cold, straight up. And that's the truth about my boy. Everyone knows that I'm one of the biggest Rampage apologists in the world. It's my favorite fighter by far. And yeah, it has been frustrating at times. Seeing his lack of work ethic. Just really prevent him from being the fighter that he can. That he can be. However, I do kind of disagree, with the whole being the biggest waste of talent. I think there are definitely bigger wastes of talent. It's like in more disappointing cases, and it's hard to call him a waste of talent. Hard to say he'll be remembered as a B fighter when you compare the accomplishments that he's had. In his 40, was he been fighting for like 40 fights or whatever? Almost a decade or whatever. The dude is the first, undisputed champion. He beat the Pride and UFC champions in consecutive fights. He is the only man to knock out both Chuck Liddell and Vanderlei Silva, and he's also, I think he'll be remembered for putting on some of the best fights and some great moments, like that like when he powerbombed Ricardo Arona to hell. I mean, the dude is a great fighter, and there's no denying that. He could be better, but what he is right now, even though he hasn't evolved much, the dude is still a tough fight out there for anybody. And just one more good punch, one more good shot, and Rashad Evans will be done, and we'd be having the Shogun fight. But oh well, man. But then again, let me stop right there because I don't want to talk about Rashad Evans any more than I have to, and I'm not. Anyway, Rampage has made it clear where his priorities lie. He'd rather act than fight. He loves doing that. That's just how he rolls. At the same time, I think he does work hard in the cage. He doesn't work hard outside of the cage, and that bites him in the ass. I mean, it's like he has shown a lot of heart in his fights. He was put on, like I said, that fight against Jardine, I thought was a really good fight, but Jardine shouldn't have made it out of the first round. And same thing with Forrest Griffin. He shouldn't have made it to no damn decision. Great fight, but it shouldn't have been that way. But it's like I said, I share your frustration. However, there's no denying what this man's did. What the man, oh God, forgive me for saying that. There's no denying what Rampage has done as a fighter. He's still a great fighter, and I think he will go down as one of the best, in his division of all time. But at the same time, I think he is as talented as any fighter in the world, and I think he could definitely be one of the best if he applied himself more. However, that's life. There's just too many things in the world that really just entice the dude, and there's no problem. I don't personally have a problem with that, with the man doing whatever he wants to do with his life. It's like I'd rather see him fight more, but hey, it's his life. He has a family to feed, and that's his priority. And he wants to, be a celebrity, be a star, and God bless him for that. And that's just some things we have to accept as fans or something with the way things are. It's like fighting doesn't pay you a whole lot, and you have to sacrifice a lot to do it. Movies, they pay you a lot more, and you don't have to physically sacrifice yourself. So that's the paradox that we're in as far as MMA fans. I mean, like I said, but I say you have some good stuff. You got hard, straight to the point. But Rampage, just how it is. He's not, like I said, never been much of a liar to us. He told us what he's gonna do. Anyway, I'll holler at y'all later.